Welcome to Tutorial Show. In this video, I will show how to update Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu. When latest update is available, you can see one small pop-up in the right bottom of the screen. There is an available update, download update. If you what you can do is that go to help menu here, download available update. You can click this. Okay, you can do any of them, or here you can click that one. See, you can see here check for update, right? Or you can click this check update. You will see this on download update. Both are same link, so you will open the same link. So go here and check that update. Here you can see that one, mine is Ubuntu. It's a Debian flavor, so you need to download a DEB. If you have a Red Hat or RPM based Red Hat Fedora and all, they are written here Debian Ubuntu Red Hat Fedora. You need to download which your machine based on that you need to download. Here I will download the DEB Debian package. Thanks for downloading VC Code. Yeah, it is getting download here. Actually, I had already one downloaded, so yeah, you got this one. Now it's a DB. You can open with the Ubuntu software, or another software install is there. I will open with the software, Ubuntu software. Loading application details. Is there any other instruction there written? No, it's just how to get started. That is not what I wanted. So here no, it is nothing. Yeah, current version is you can see here current version 1.76. okay, 1.76. here latest is 1.79. what happened here? A code they don't show anything here. They just shows they installed or not. God knows whether they installed or not. I will close this one. I will close this Visual Studio Code, and I will open again. I will check whether updated or not. About 1.76 still, so that didn't update. So I will try with another. Here open with the software install. I think it is opening the same thing. Ubuntu software itself is opening it. Yeah, okay. So that this is not working actually. Software install or Ubuntu software is not working. Now what we can do is that we can use the command line. You can use the dpkg command. It's a Debian package man dpkg. You can see here a dpkg package manager for Debian. Okay, the syntax is that one dpkg hyphen I for install. Here you can see that this option pack, so you can specify the package file and do that. So obviously we are all familiar with the apt. We usually using apt or apt-get. Using that we installing. So what is this dpkg? Let us ask to Bard what's the difference between dpkg and what is the difference between apt and dpkg. Sorry, that I didn't type properly. Oh, that was not problem to Bard. they understood what I mean. Okay, here APT and dpkg are both package managers used in Linux distributions. However, they have different purposes and functionalities. APT, Advanced Package Tool, is a high-level package manager that provides a more user-friendly interface for installing, removing, and managing packages. It uses the dpkg to perform the actual installation and removal of packages. Okay, basically APT is a wrapper around the dpkg. So APT is a higher level and dpkg is a lower level application. APT also handles package dependencies, which means that it can automatically install the packages that are required by other packages. Okay, basically it is handling the dependency. For handling dependency, you should use APT. dpkg is more low level thing. Okay, dpkg, dbn package, is a low level package manager that is responsible for the actual installation and a removal of packages. It does not handle package dependencies, so you will need to manually install any package that are required by other packages. Okay, in general you should use APT to install and remove packages, and dpkg only if you need to perform more low level tasks. Okay, good. Here is a table that summarizes the key difference between APT and dpkg. Feature: APT and dpkg. Purpose is a higher level package manager. APT is for higher level package management and dpkg is for low level package manager. APT handles dependencies but dpkg don't. APT user friendly, dpkg is a command line. What does that mean? APT is a user friendly. I never use its UI. I always used command line only, so I don't know what is the difference. Anyway, dpkgi is the usual syntax. Okay, I hope we got some clarity what's the difference in APT and dpkg. Let's install the you should use sudo dpkg -i. It is inside downloads dbn. What? It is not inside dbn. Show in folder. Yes, it is an okay code. Okay, it's not a dbn. I'm typing there dbn code. What is going on? It's yeah, okay, asking for password. I will close this Visual Studio. Okay, look like they have done. I'll check with about. Oh, good. 1.79. Earlier it was 73 or 76 earlier. Okay, May 2032 version. Okay, it's a release note, and I don't think so. Yeah, update is success. Thanks for watching.